Jake Myers,
and Spencer Iverson's video project presentation for Geo Sci 106. Today we will be talking about 5 massive earthquakes that have happened recently relative to the age of Earth. First, we will be talking about the 1700 Cascadia earthquake, which was about a magnitude 9 megathrust earthquake. For reference, this was about 1,000 times more energy than magnitude 7. This ruptured nearly the entire Cascadia subduction zone from northern California to British Columbia. First Nation oral history described intense shaking and deadly coastal destruction. The earthquake has caused land subsidence, creating ghost forests whose tree rings date back to 1700. It also triggered a tsunami that reached Japan, known as the Orphan Tsunami, which helped confirm the date and location of this event. Secondly, on April 18, 1906, a 7.9 earthquake struck along the San Andreas Fault near San Francisco. The rupture extended for 296 miles, and shaking was felt across western U.S. The disaster destroyed thousands of buildings and caused over 3,000 deaths. Observations from this event led to elastic rebound theory, which explains how stress builds and sunlight is released along fault lines. The 1960 Chile earthquake was the largest ever recorded. The magnitude 9.5 struck on May 22nd off the coast of Valdivia due to subduction of the Narcas plate beneath the South American plate. The quake caused massive destruction and displacement in Chile, generated a deadly tsunami that crossed the Pacific and caused fatalities in Hawaii and Japan. It remains one of the most powerful and far-reaching earthquakes in history.
Now we will talk about some earthquakes that have happened recently. Here's a graph of all the earthquakes that have happened recently up to 2014. Let us know if you guys have heard of any of these earthquakes in the comments below. The first recent earthquake we will be discussing was the 2010 Haiti earthquake. This occurred on January 12, 2010. It was a magnitude 7 earthquake that was followed by two main aftershocks of magnitude 5.5 and 5.9. This earthquake was caused by movement along the Caribbean plate and the North American plate at the transform boundary. This earthquake is especially historic because over 300,000 people died and 1 million were left homeless in the aftermath. The last recent earthquake we will cover is the 2011 earthquake in Tohoku, Japan, that happened on March 11, 2011 and was a magnitude 9.1. This earthquake created a huge tsunami that killed over 18,000 people and even caused damage in Hawaii and California. It destroyed over 120,000 homes and totaled over $220 billion in damage. This historic earthquake was caused by thrust faulting at the Pacific and North American plate subduction zone.
Sources: